Idol, paano mag-count ng calories? So, kunwari, 1 cup rice. 1 gram of carbs is equal to 4 calories. So, kung ang 1 cup is 50 grams of carbs, 50 times 4 equals 200 calories, yung 1 cup of rice. For example lang yun Tapos kunwari, sa likod ng binibili nyong delata or mga plastic na mga instant noodles or chocolate, nakalagay doon yung protein. Pag fat, 9 grams of fat. Ang 1 gram of fat is equal to 9 calories. So, 9 times 9, 81. 9 times 9, 81 calories, yung 9 grams of fat. And then, pag may carbs, diba, 4 calories. Pag protein, 4 calories din. Pag sa alak, I think 7 calories or 8. Di ako ganun ka-sure. Pero may calories rin yung alcohol. So, i-multiply nyo lang. Ngayon, kung hindi siya nakalagay yung nutrition facts, talagang magre-research pa kayo. Medyo complicated kasi mamaya may hinalong oil or may mga calories na dressing. Tama kayo, mali ako, I'm not your doctor. Do what works for you. Happy, healthy.